Like dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Look at this bike. This is my bike.
There are many like
this is the stinky donkey side. This is the beautiful horsey side. Oh, it's from some film.
So we doing this then?
That is the stinky pony side. Fixing the camera. I collect the valuable content of my father messing up turning on the camera. Dun, 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 dun.
So out the end and then turn left.
Out the end and then turn.
Alright, here right and then left.
Yeah, I know.
5.
I mean, I'm following you anyway. It doesn't. Look at this dude with his badass tricycle or recumbent bike or whatever he calls it. Right here, one of the most dangerous species on the planet. We got a wild recumbent bike on the loose.
Oh hooray!
Oh hooray! It's me.
Yeah.
You love me. As soon as the camera's turned off, you throw me into the river as punishment.
No, I wouldn't do that. The river's not big enough.
I'm gonna treat this like a nature documentary.
Okay, fine. Do that.
Right here, we've got one of the rarest blue recumbent bicycles in the wild. Its host is driving it at a baffling wait. How fast?
I don't know.
15 kilometers per hour.
60.
Oh wow!
Bye.
Stream. Poo-poo water. It is poo-poo water. Look at this stream. Oh, thank you. And I'll have some silent ASMR recumbent bike, so you can finally use some of this content, because I'm just yapping. Recumbent bike ASMR. I trained it better.
Whatever.
And
I think this video is going to be a bit more chaotic than the usual type of video though.
I mean, yeah, you have a child with you.
Yeah.
A child on caffeine, not to mention. Okay, nice. Shall we drive to the Maples?
No, because we're going to the place that I said we should go to so I can test whether the bike's going to break or not.
Okay. I mean, at the Maples there's like this.
No, I've got a specific like bumpy road that I wanted to try out.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Really bumpy.
Really bumpy. Really?
Go for it. Rapid speed. Yeah! Oh, lots of hay bales. Right, hay bales. Let's go water break. Whoa.
Watching father struggle.
Oh, no, I don't need a push.
Wait. Now I'm struggling. Okay. Yes, maybe I needed the push.
Yeah, but can we do a cool drive-by while I'm going a bit faster?
Oh, GoPro stop recording. This is a battle recording now. I shall chase my father.
Glad I have
Hey!
a mirror.
What?
I'm so glad I have a rear
Oh yeah, you could check for cars.
Yeah, I can tell that there's cars coming so that...
Are there cars coming?
No!
Oh.
Otherwise I'd be like...
Road! Get off the road! You're getting side shots now from your fantastic jawline.
Wow, great. I'm so glad. There's a corner coming up. Can you not, please? Can you like be sensible and go on the right hand side of the road?
Yes.
Thank you.
I hate it when you go to dad mode in the middle where I want to do a joke. I'm going to do super secret sneak up. Wow. No!